Hello, kiddos. Have you ever seen a really tall building and thought, wow, that's so high? Well, imagine something so tall it reaches the sky. Today, we're taking you on an amazing journey to explore the tallest mountain in the world, Mount Everest. A long, long time ago, even before the dinosaurs walked the earth, there was no Mount Everest. Back then, the land looked very different, but deep under the earth, powerful forces were at work. The Earth's crust is made of giant puzzle pieces called tectonic plates. And sometimes, these plates move and crash into each other, pushing giant rocks up higher and higher, like a slow-motion volcano without lava, creating the mighty Himalayas. And Everest was born. And guess what? It's still growing little by little, even today. Now, let's talk about just how big this mountain is. It stands 8,849 meters high. That's taller than 6,000 giraffes stacked on top of each other. Can you imagine that? But Everest is also very dangerous. It's so high that the air is super thin, making it hard to breathe. And it's freezing cold. Colder than the inside of your freezer, there are strong winds, slippery ice, and deep snow. Only the bravest and best prepared climbers can reach the top. The first people to ever reach the very top were Sir Edmund Hillary from New Zealand and Tenzing Norgay, a Sherpa from Nepal, in 1953. They climbed for days and days, facing snowstorms and ice walls, until, finally, they made it. They stood on top of the world, looking down at everything below. Can you imagine what that must have felt like? Climbing Everest is not just about reaching the top. It teaches us something really important. Never give up. It takes hard work, courage, and teamwork to reach big goals. And here's a fun fact. Many people still try to climb Everest today. Some make it, some don't. But they all learn something about being strong and never giving up. So, next time something feels too hard, just think of Mount Everest. Take one step at a time, keep going, and one day you'll reach your own big goal. Thanks for joining me on this adventure. Have fun and keep wondering about the amazing world around you.